Retrofit projects can save millions, or cost them, if you make these mistakes. Most retrofits fail because teams skip the baseline audit. You can't upgrade what you haven't understood. Mixing new PLCs with legacy MCCs isn't plug and play. One mismatched input or output can bring your entire system down. A system is only as smart as the people using it. Lack of operator training leads to unnecessary alarms and downtime. At SMEC Automation, we retrofit MCCs, PLCs, and control panels that blend legacy reliability with modern intelligence, improving uptime, safety, and system visibility. Don't just replace, rethink. Retrofit with purpose. Retrofit with SMEC.